Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel, Just Chini Things. So today I'm going to do another costume unwrapping. The delivery man came today and got me this parcel. So inside this is a Yashiro Nene costume. This character is from Toilet-Bound Hanako-kun, and I really like her because she's so adorable. And so I tried to look for a Yashiro Nene costume online and I found this in Lazada. And surprisingly, this is cheap, and according to the reviews, there's barely any reviews actually, but because it looked promising, I had to grab it. And so this is it. We will be seeing the costume and we'll be looking at the quality. I'm actually positive that this costume is going to turn out alright. And yeah. So I'm going to open it now. Fingers crossed. So here's her dress, her accessories, and her socks. We're going to start with the dress first. Ooh, it feels so soft. So here it is. It's so pretty. Even the fabric is high quality, I swear. I swear this is more than worth it. And there's something here. Good. It smells like flowers. Oh, it's actually jasmine. No wonder. So my costume smells like jasmine. Okay, that's sweet. It really smells good. This is a plus points for the shop because the costume doesn't smell like it just came from the manufacturer. It smells like it had perfume on it. Next up is her accessories and her socks. They're in a separate plastic, so yeah. This is her brooch. Goes here. It has foam, so it's got its own texture, but it's mainly fabric. And next up is her hair accessories. It's actually decent. I actually like it. See? Goes on her hair. Here. Yeah. And then lastly is her socks. Ooh, it's really pretty, I swear. It's even got the cute decorations on her socks. I actually thought this would be printed. It's actually a gold moon sewn on the socks. How cool is that? This is really good quality stuff, I swear. It's actually a pantyhose and not a sock type. Still good. Though I'm not really into pantyhose because I prefer socks, but this works too. And lastly is her moke plush. This isn't part of the costume, but I bought it since it was in the shop. And you know, I really like collecting stuff, so this could be part of my props and I could put this in my room. And it's really cute, see? So adorable, and it's even so fluffy. I'm gonna take it out of the plastic. So this moke plush can be used as my props and can also be used to decorate my room. this was pretty affordable. This was only 300 pesos and it exceeded my expectations. I thought it was going to be a lot smaller than this, but it turned out to be, you know, just the right size. This was only 30 centimeters on the options. So yeah. Ta-da! I swear this shop has good anime and cosplay stuff. So if you want to check it out, I left the link on the description below. And the shop's name is, if I remember correctly, it was Dafia. Dafia. I think that's how you read it. Dafia. Anyway, the shop is great. Check it out, guys. Also, I got this Yashiro Nene wig from Taobao. It's from Sunco's shop, and if you guys want to buy the same wig as me, I will leave the link on the description as well. So without further ado, I will try out the costume. Yashiro Nene cosplay. What do you think, guys? I rate this costume a 5 out of 5 stars because the quality simply exceeded my expectations and it's good for the price. If you guys plan on buying the costume, I suggest you guys buy the Moki plush as well because it doesn't only make a good companion, it also makes a good prop. So soft! Anyway guys, follow the shop for more cosplay and anime related items. I left the link on the description below. Follow me on Ko-fi and you can also donate to my goal so I can make more videos. Thanks to Alan Frank for donating recently to my Ko-fi. Thank you for contributing to my Pramanix goal. Arigatou gozaimasu!